Here's everything that you need to know about a 203K loan in Texas. Of course, home prices were up in Austin last year, bringing the median sales price to $550K. The process on the 203K loan is really simple. The first portion of your loan goes to pay for the house that you're buying, and then the remainder is placed in an interest-bearing account on your behalf and is released in stages to the contractor as the renovation is completed. On the 203K loan, there's 5 steps. The first of which is to get the property approved. We just need to make sure that the property is at least 1 year old and you need to live in the property, so it can't be an investment. The second step is contractor approval. They just need $1 million in general liability insurance and they need to be a registered contractor. The third step is buyer approval. So we just need income, credit, and assets. Income, you just need to make a little money, enough to support the mortgage payment. Credit, you need scores of 580 or better. And assets, we just need to have enough funds to close, so enough to cover your down payment and your closing costs. Steps 4 and 5 are to fund the purchase and the contractor. Funding the contractor is done by putting that money in a secured escrow account for you and then paying that contractor out in phases as the renovation is completed. Here's a few things that you could use the 203K loan to repair on the house. So specific improvements on the house could include remodeling a bathroom or kitchen, replacing a roof, adding a room, replacing the flooring, adding or expanding a garage or a carport. You could put in a porch or a patio, add or repair siding, or repair an existing swimming pool. Leave a comment with the renovation that you think will get home buyers the biggest return on the renovation costs. Breaking news on the FHA 203K loan. So November 4th, 2024, HUD gave us an increase in the limited 203K loan renovation budget. So what that means is with no HUD consultant now, you can do renovations up to $75,000. And that product is called the limited 203K loan. Slightly easier, 1 or 2 less steps. DM me if you want to see a loan scenario on a 203K loan.